Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on an HP laptop. First, make sure Wi-Fi is connected and the charger is attached so setup won't fail. Once at the Windows welcome screens, choose your region and keyboard quickly, and when prompted, select Sign In with a Microsoft account. You'll need an existing email or phone number. If you don't have one, choose Create Account Now. This saves time later because a Microsoft account links your settings, OneDrive, and app access across devices. Now, enter your Microsoft email or phone and the password. If you chose Create Account, follow prompts to set the address and a strong password. Make sure you enable two-step verification when prompted. This protects your data and makes password resets safer. Once you submit credentials, Microsoft often sends a verification code to your phone or alternate email. Enter that code on the screen to confirm your identity. After verification, Windows will offer to sync set. Finish by choosing Privacy and Sync settings. Enabling OneDrive will back up documents automatically, so consider that unless you prefer local storage. Continue through Cortana and update prompts. Windows may install updates immediately, so let it run. If you can't sign in, first check Caps Lock and your network connection, then try the Forgot Password flow to reset via Microsoft Recovery. Use the same recovery phone or email used earlier. If problems persist, restart the laptop and repeat the verification steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.